Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you're good. I hope everything's fine. And today, we have a very extremely random video and I honestly don't know what to call it, alright? So let's just watch me out and maybe you'll learn something from this. Go to level 1, make a reference plane and let me please make this one thing clear that this is not my design, right? It is inspired by someone else. Let's go to south and so I've made a reference plane. Let's go to architecture, let's go to model in place and let's go to R for roofs and let's go to the roof and let's press roof 1. Let's go to extrusion, let's go to set, let's set the work plane that we have made. Let's go to show, let's go to 3D and let's go to show right here and so here we go. So this is it, right? This is the show. So this is the reference plane I made. I hope you guys can have an idea. After that, let's go to the south and our walls are 800 mm thick, alright? So this is a wall, this is a wall, this is a wall right here, this is a ceiling and this is a curtain wall and these are some lights. Let's go to our southern view and come on excuse me, oh my god. Let's go to a southern view and let's go to create, let's go to extrusion, let's go to set and let's go to 1212. That is the name of the reference plane and let's start making. So this is it, right? So for example, this is the wall. You know what, let's go to wireframe mode and okay, this is the wireframe mode. This is a wall, right? I'm telling you about. So that is 800 mm. Let's make our first wall right here and let's go to this and let's make our second wall right here and perfect. Oh my god, we have so much left. I think that is wrong because there's so much distance to cover. Let's go to this and let's select this is a wall. And yes, so something like that would make more sense and something like this would make more sense, and from this straight above and below down and above again, below down and let's go to this again and let's go to for example from here down, perfect, and then right here and above. Here you go. Alright, so after that let's go to modify, let's click on that and let's try to raise it a bit up. Perfect. After that let's go to this and let's go to an offset of 800 mm according to what our walls are. Okay, and let's click on that. Let's go to the other way around and so this is 800 mm. Perfect. And let's go to the other way around and let me make one thing clear. So this is our wall, right? Okay, this is our wall. We missed the point, that's what I was wondering. So for example, let's bring this right, let's delete this and let's go to this and okay, this is our wall edge, so right here. Perfect. After that let's go to trim and extend 1 and 2 and here you go. Perfect. After that let's click on this and let's go to 800 mm and perfect. And if you press tab, it's not working. Tab right here, what? Tab, yes, it is working. And check this out. So done, right? We did everything within just by pressing tab and this is the wall. So let's click this wall and you know what, let's click this wall. I forgot to turn off the offset. Let's go to modify, let's click on this point, let's delete it, let's go to line again and click on this and click on this and let's go to this and right here. Perfect. Alright, done. Now let's go to the other edge. So the other edge, this one right here, actually this is a wall, right? So for example, if you click on this, if you go perfect, and if you click on this point and if we go perfect, if you go to trim and extend 1 and 2 and check this out, guys. After that, if you press OK, the lines must be what? The lines must be in a closed loop. So we forgot to close the loop. Here you go and press OK. And let's go to our 3D view and check this out. So this is what we have. For example, if you go to this view right here and if we try to extend this a little bit and here you go. After that let's press OK and for example edit in place and let's click this. Let's go to this and come on, is my battery in? Okay, let's go for best performance and this one let's go for CONCRETE, concrete, anything concrete cast in place. Okay, that's fine. Let's press OK and now let's go to our curtain wall, and let's go to our this elevation right here. Let's go to edit the profile of the curtain wall. Perfect. So this is our curtain wall. After that, check this out. So now the first thing we do is we click on this point. We come from right here to right here. In fact, you know what? Let's delete this. All right. So we go from this point to this point. Let's pick up the lines. So pick up, this is the first line that we pick. It's very easy. So we're changing the profile of our curtain wall, right? And you know, this is just a very, you could say a very basic video. You know, you can learn so many different things from that if you use the same concept. All right. So for example, all right, that is fine, and this is the wall, isn't it? So yes, and okay, alrighty. For example, right here, and if you press OK and let the loading finish, and delete elements, no problem. A few of the elements are going to get deleted. If you press go to 3D view, if we go to displays, if we go to our realistic, if we activate that, we go to shadows, we activate both of them. We go to sketch lines, we activate sketch lines, and we go to lightning, and for the lightning we go to top left, and we press OK. After that, let's go to photo realistic, let's enable that, and let's press OK. And let's go to 3D view, let's close all inactive views, and check this out, guys. Look at what we have done. Alright, this design is the Bella Hadid design, I think, the famous architect. This is inspired by that, right? So for example, if we click on this, and remember this is roof, if you go to attach, and if we click on this, and it is automatically going to get attached, and all the problems are going to be solved. So there are a total of 3 walls. Each wall is 800 mm, 1 and 2 and 3. So that's why I even made the roof 800 mm, and after that I added a ceiling and I added some light. And look at how beautiful this is, right? And now the door. So again, for example, if we click on that, and if we control in that, if we come on, control in that, if you first of all unpin it, and once you unpin it, you press delete, and you have deleted that. After that, let's click on no, let's click on line delete, fine, and this one, for example, if we go to modify, if you click on that, delete, here you go. Okay, delete, and modify again. Why didn't it get deleted? All right, delete, and MD, and click on that, click on this, and delete. Here you go, fine. After that, go to modify and press tab. Okay, this is a tab, right? So let's unpin it first of all. Let's go to system, and let's go to, no, not systems. Oh my god, it went. Okay, now this of that, let's go to edit, let's go to duplicate, let's press OK, let's load in the family, let's go to back to our excuse me, back to our main family. Let's go to two doors. Let's go to, all right, this is the one. So let's press OK, and check this out. So we have included a curtain wall door. Look at how beautiful this is and how accurate this is. All right, so look at how nice this looks. And guys, do you have more time? Although the video is getting so long, for example, let's go to home, let's go to new, and you know, let's kind of make a parametric walkway right here. So let's go to our balusters, and let's go to the baluster template. Let's go to this. Let's go to our floor plan. And oh my god, I'm speaking so fast. Let's go to the extrusion. Let's go to a big circle, and let's click on this. Let's make our circle, and let's press UN right here. Let's go to here. Let's go to here. Let's go to millimeters and 2 decimal places. Okay. Let's make our extrusion. Excuse me. And let's go to our 3D view, and let's close all inactive views. And this is completely wrong. Anyways, after that, you know, let's go to create, and you know, I even want these lights below our extrusion, right? I think that would be nice. So where's our light? Okay, this is it. For example, if you go to this, if you go to edit extrusion, if we click on that, and if we increase this a little bit, if you press OK, and for example, if you go to our top view, and this is the extrusion, right? And for example, if you go to our front right here, and this is it, right? If we put this a bit down, and we go to 207 right here, we go to edit, we go to duplicate, we press OK, we come right here, we go to here, we press this to 1000, we click on this, and we change this to what? To red. If you press OK, and you guys must be wondering what am I doing. Well, check this out. So anyways, after that, we go to the railings, we go to edit, we go to duplicate, we press OK, and let's make our initial sketch, for example this point and this point and something like that, and press OK. And this is our railing. For example, if you go to the edit and we eliminate our top rail first of all, and we go to edit, delete the top rail, that's fine. And for the balusters, we import the family, which is family number 7. All right, this is the family that we just made with the studio light. If you press OK, 7777, and this is going to be distance from the previous. I think our family was too big. Anyways, we'll check this out, and it gets deleted automatically. Why? I don't know. For example, click on this, and click on this, and if you press OK and delete elements, why is it giving us this error? For example, if we click on that, we click on this, we click on that, and for example, if you go to the edit, and what may be the problem with this? So the top offset, okay, let's give it a 200 top offset, and usually this value, there are some issues with this value. If you press OK, and check this out. So I told you there are some issues with that value. If you go to edit, and if you go to this, and I think this is 3003, and no, oh my god, this is what, 5,000. If you press OK, if you apply, oh my god, this is 5500. If you press OK, if you go to apply, check this out, guys. So you learned 2, 3, 4, 5 different concepts today. We made the an unparametric walkway using the rail method. We made a door within our curtain wall, and we made this awesome organic and hard surface roof, which are both, right? This is the organic part, and this is the hard surface part. So, and excuse me, there's also a light beneath this, all right? A red LED light. Check this out. So I'm going to include all of this in the final rendered. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this video. All right, take care of yourself, and bye bye. And I'm also going to delete the ceilings right here, and I think I do not need the ceilings. So take care of yourself, and bye bye.